Hello everybody. In today's video, I will show you how to insert signatures in Microsoft Office Word. First step that you have to do is open your documents that you want to sign. Then you will just go to Insert and you will find here the Insert tab. Here we are interested in the text section. Then you will click on signature line and add a Microsoft Office signature line. As you can see, it will show this pop-up signature setup. Here it is the name of the one of the senior. All you have is to write your name here. Here, for example, just make insert or write your role. Let's add our address and click OK. First, then you can double click on the signature and add a digital signature. I have one here in my PC. I just created it. So then click on sign. Here, when I will sign, it will give me an error because I don't have signature certificate. So all you can do is go to insert and insert the picture from your device and click on this one uh, and drop the text through. Uh, we deselect first to not select for on top of it. We are going to search for our digital uh, signature and wrap the text through, move with the text, and just on top through behind text. Like this, we have just to wrap uh, on top, and it will be like this. All you have is to adjust your image so it doesn't hide your information, and this is how you insert a signature on Microsoft Office Word. So let's do a recap. All you do is insert, go to signature line, and uh, add your information here. After that, you can add the picture of your digital signature. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.